everyone, my name is Arpita Chatterjee and I'm Mindset and Life Coach. Gratitude is the fastest way to raise your vibration so that you can attract to yourself the life of your dream. So, listen to this every day for 21 days and you will see your world transform. So today we are going to do a powerful meditation. Trust me, it's a very powerful meditation. And remember to feel gratitude for all that you already have and all that you wanted to manifest. So trust that you are in the process of manifesting. Everything you desire is simply waiting for you in the infinite field of consciousness, and gratitude will magnetize and maximize your power of manifestation. So thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for everything that you have given me in my life. Thank you for my bed. Thank you for my shower. Thank you for the roof over my head. Thank you for my home. Thank you for my family. Thank you for this warmth. Thank you for my healthy body. Thank you for the earth beneath my feet. Thank you for my freedom. Thank you for my family. Thank you for Mother Nature. Thank you for everything. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you so much. Thank you for my intuition. Thank you for the travel. Thank you for my ability to replenish and rejuvenate. Thank you for companionship. Thank you for this plant. Thank you for this flower. Thank you for my ability to visualize. Thank you for the flower. Thank you for this greenery. Thank you for my ability to dream. Thank you for the trees. Thank you for the ability to manifest all my desire. Thank you so much. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you, universe. Thank you for the sun. Thank you for the moon. Thank you for my ability to create wealth. Thank you for the moon. Thank you for the sun. Thank you for my ability to do what I love. Thank you for my creativity. Thank you for the wind. Thank you for the reflection. Thank you for all my teachers and mentors. Thank you for the night sky. Thank you for all my lesson. Thank you for the stars. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe, for the gift of life. Thank you so much, universe, for everything. I'm so grateful. Thank you for the ocean and the seas. Thank you for the silence. Thank you for the forest. Thank you for my self-respect. Thank you so much. Thank you for the mountain. Thank you for my ability to feel inner peace. Thank you so much. Thank you for the rain. Thank you for my ability to sleep peacefully. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this roof. Thank you for this home. Thank you for the infinite opportunity that coming my life. Thank you for all my senses. Thank you for all the opportunity I'm getting. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you for everything, God. Thank you for this water. Thank you. Thank you for the fresh fruits and vegetable. Thank you. Thank you, universe, for my ability to live with authenticity. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my choice. Thank you for the balance of life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this beautiful scenery, beautiful butterfly. Thank you for the transportation. Thank you for my capacity to unconditionally self love. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for my family. Thank you for this nature. Thank you for my friends. Thank you for my compassion. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you for everything. Thank you for this day. Thank you. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you. Thank you for the gift of my life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe, for this kindness. Thank you. Thank you for my ability to give and receive. Thank you. Thank you for my creativity. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my capacity to feel the joy. Thank you. Thank you for the light. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the sound. Thank you. Thank you for the playfulness. Thank you for my playfulness. Thank you for my ability to have wholesome, loving relationships. Thank you. Thank you for my laughter. Thank you. Thank you for my peace of mind. Thank you for the rest. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the beautiful life. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, universe. Thank you for this delicious food and drinks. Thank you. Thank you for my ability to touch and be touched. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the beauty of nature. Thank you. Thank you for my ability to forgive. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all the season. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for my ability to heal. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for this wildlife. Thank you. Thank you for my ability to achieve financial freedom. Thank you. Thank you for this life. Thank you for my passion. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the beautiful moment of my life. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you for my strong bones. Thank you. Thank you for my strong muscles. Thank you. Thank you for my healthy heart. Thank you. Thank you for my strong back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my legs. Thank you for my hands. Thank you for my feet. Thank you. Thank you for my arms. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my hands. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my eyes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my ears. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my taste buds. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my healthy digestive system. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Thank you for my balanced nervous system. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you for everything. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you, universe. I have a sincere gratitude to you. Thank you for the process of realizing my innate perfection. Thank you. Thank you for the movement. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my ability to learn and grow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the new beginnings. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my ability to have a deeply fulfilling romantic relationship. Thank you. Thank you so much, universe. Thank you for the color. Thank you. Thank you for my ability to make peace with my body. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the music, melodious music. Thank you for my ability to trust. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the books. Thank you for my inner sanctuary. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you for the dance. Thank you for my natural talent. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my vibrant energy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my inner wisdom. Thank you. Thank you for my healthy boundaries. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all my experiences. Thank you. Thank you for all my blessing. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you for my capacity to love and be loved. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my unique spark of divine. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my connection to all that is. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, universe. I'm so gratitude. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of my life. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Thank you for everything, universe. I have a sincere gratitude to you. Please do this practice 21 days and trust me, gratitude, when you have this gratitude mindset and you change your complaint mode to gratitude mode, your life become changed. And trust me, every day if you do the gratitude practice, make a habit of gratitude practice, then you feel lot of change. So try to do practice gratitude. This recording you can listen every day. This video you can listen every day, and you can start gratitude for each and everything in your life. Trust me, your life will be changed. This is Arpita. Thank you so much and love you all. Thank you. Thank you.